Hi guys, Taminot here. In this video, I am reviewing Cosrx Propolis Synergy Toner. This is not a first impression video because I have been using and loving this product and I thought to share with you guys. This toner is set to make your skin plump and glowing while nourishing and improving the skin texture. So here's what the toner looks like when dispensed into my palm. You can see that it's not too thick, not too runny in consistency. It's like water, but then it's thicker than water. I really like how this feels when you apply it to your palms or to your skin in general. It does absorb very quickly. It's not sticky, it's not drying, and it does leave your skin with a glow. I'm going to apply this on my face right now so that you guys can see what it looks like. But first, how to use. In your morning routine, make sure to go in with a gentle cleanser. This is the one I used this morning. This is what my face looks like after washing and it's not drying at all. Next is toner, and that's where this comes in. So now I am going to shake the toner. You don't have to shake it if you don't want to. I love to shake my toners always. And this toner can be used with a cotton round or your palms. To be honest, applying skincare products with my palms are the best for me. You can do what you prefer. So I just go in with a little amount. You can go in with as much as you desire. I like to do this. Then next is to spread. Don't forget your neck. Don't forget the back of your neck. This is okay, but I like to go in with a little more. So it's very evident that this doesn't take time to sink into the skin at all. It's just super quick to dry it down, and here's what my face looks like. There's definitely a glow that you guys can see. It's non-sticky, non-greasy. It just boosts your skin. I really do like this toner. So after toner, you would move to serum. You can decide to skip serum if you want, but I'll be going in with this Cera Barrier Soothing Ampoule by Trend. I have previously reviewed this serum if you're interested. The link is on the screen right now, or check the description box. So for moisturizer, I'll be going in with this one. It does contain retinol, so sunscreen is a must as always. So after moisturizer comes sunscreen, but I'm not going to be applying the sunscreen right now because I want to do a comparison video. So make sure you check that out after watching this video. I'm just going to go in with lip gloss from Kiko. This is not my favorite shade, just in case. I thought it was going to be like more pink than cream. Now that I'm done with my skincare routine and you guys have seen the difference, this toner is alcohol-free, fragrance-free, pairs well with other skincare products. I have not had any issues so far, and I recommend it to all skin types and all skin tones. Let me just sniff it just so that I can tell you guys how it smells exactly. It does have a slight honey scent, but you may not actually notice it because it's not strong at all. If you're extra like me, you can actually put this toner in your skincare fridge or your fridge for it to be cooling. I do enjoy doing that at night a lot because when it's out from the fridge, it's cold. I just pat it into my skin. It's just really relaxing. You don't have to do it, but if you want to, go ahead and try it out. I bet you enjoy it. Overall, I enjoy this toner as an everyday toner in either my morning or night routine. I really do like it. I am going to be purchasing maybe 1 or 2 more bottles. It's about to be a staple in my routine. Let me know in the comment section if you've used this toner or any toner that contains honey. I look forward to exploring more of, toners that contain honey. For serum, I'm not yet sure, but yeah, I really do like this toner and I 100% recommend it. I bet if you try it out, you're going to repurchase it. That's how much it's so good. I don't know if anyone has ever faced a reaction with this. If you have, let me know in the comment section, but I totally love it and recommend it to you guys to try. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did find it useful in any way, do let me know in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up, share this video, subscribe down below if you aren't subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching and do have a blessed day.